Hello YouTube and welcome back to another episode of Invisible Head Investing. I'm the Invisible Head Investor and today I want to talk about a new series that I want to launch. I'm going to be doing a series of videos on SPACs valued under $12 that I think could have potential to multiple X your return on your investment. So before we get started, okay, welcome back. So today we're talking about Supernova Partners Acquisition Company, ticker symbol SPNV. Okay, this company is trading at $11.21. Now, I made another video before talking about SPACs, and we know that the minimum value you can have in a SPAC is roughly $10 for the most part. So the most risk you're facing here at this time is $1.21 a share. Okay, so let's take a closer look at this company first before we discuss the rumors of who they're probably going to be merging with. Supernova Partners Acquisition Company, Inc. was established to partner with an advanced growth company that benefits from thematic shifts and tech-enabled trends. Okay, so I recommend you guys read through the members of the team that are leading Supernova, but the one guy that stands out to me is Spencer Rascoff. Now, this man is responsible for co-founding Zillow. Zillow is a massive company. It has grown throughout the years. It provides a lot of real estate information to consumers, both from buying properties to renting properties. It's an outlet for people to market their listings for sale or for rent. Zillow is integrated with MLSs from all over the country, so whenever a real estate agent listed a property, the information about that property would be syndicated to other websites like Zillow. Zillow would then turn around and market those properties on their website and acquire buyer-consumer information. Zillow has grown to a point now where it has so much data about consumers that it's trying to automate the real estate business, and it's going to become a national brokerage where it's going to be looking to match sellers that want to sell their properties, similar to what Open Door is doing. Let's take a look at how Zillow grew during the time that Spencer Rascoff was the CEO. So he was the CEO of Zillow for nearly 10 years and scaled Zillow from a small private venture-funded company to a publicly traded company with over 4,500 employees and over $3 billion in revenue. Zillow's market capitalization today is an approximate $20 billion as of September. And if we look here, the stock price for Zillow today is $143.90. During Mr. Rascoff's tenure as Zillow CEO, he led the acquisition and subsequent integration of 15 businesses, including the acquisition and integration of Trulia. Trulia was a direct competitor with Zillow. Both companies basically focused on generating buyer leads for real estate agents, and then they would sell those leads to real estate agents based on zip codes. At one point, real estate agents used to be able to buy a zip code and get all the leads from that zip code. And then as the company grew and more leads came in, they started breaking that down into budgets. So if an agent wanted to spend $5,000 a month on buyer leads for a specific zip code, Zillow would basically break down that cost on a per lead basis. So seeing that this man is the co-chair of Supernova Partner Acquisitions gets me excited because he knows what he's doing. Okay, he's involved in a lot of publicly traded companies, very familiar companies. Prior to Zillow, Mr. Rascoff co-founded Hotwire and ultimately sold a business to Expedia for $685 million. Mr. Rascoff's experience as a high-profile and successful technology executive, as well as his role as an active angel investor who has backed more than 50 startups, has enabled him to build trust and deep relationships with many technology startup executives. So this guy has a lot of connections with a lot of people. He's going to be looking to merge Supernova Partner Acquisitions with most likely another tech company. And the rumor that's been coming out is that the company that they've been speaking to is BuzzFeed. So let's take a closer look at BuzzFeed. BuzzFeed is the world's leading independent digital media company which leverages data and innovation to reach hundreds of millions of people globally. Our massive cross-platform network includes BuzzFeed Originals, which creates articles, lists, quizzes, and videos, BuzzFeed Media Brands, which comprises a portfolio of identity-driven lifestyle brands including Nifty, Goodful, As Is, and Tasty, the world's largest social food network. BuzzFeed Studios, which produces original content across broadcast, cable, social video on demand, film, and digital platforms, and BuzzFeed News, which includes world-class reporting and investigative journalism. The company also includes BuzzFeed Commerce, which develops products and experiences, as well as licensing and other strategic partnerships. Tasty is an interesting revenue stream. If you look here at Facebook, Tasty has over 98 million likes on their Facebook page. And usually the posts on this website are about recipes. And we know that a lot of people love to cook. They like to try different recipes. And this is an area where they go and look for short videos on making all sorts of recipes. So this has actually become a major revenue stream for BuzzFeed. Now, this is a private company, so it might be hard to find what their revenue streams are. I believe I read something that back in 2019, they were generating around $300 million in revenue. We're entering 2021 now, and based on the growth of this company, it's safe to say that their revenue streams have grown, and now they're looking to potentially go public based on the rumor that they have spoken with Supernova Partner Acquisitions Group. BuzzFeed is an intriguing company that I think I would be very interested in investing in. So this is a very intriguing rumor to me. I think that if these two companies were to merge together, this is a company that I would be very interested in investing in early. Seeing what Mr. Raskov's track record has been over the last decade plus, I think that the combination of him with what BuzzFeed has done over the years could turn into a massive, massive opportunity, and they could really scale what BuzzFeed is looking to do, as well as increase their revenue streams if they stop branching out into different types of media. So this is a very intriguing rumor that I'm watching. Nothing's guaranteed yet. So I think it's worth the risk to invest in SPNV, and even if this merger doesn't go through, I really like the management team being co-chaired by Mr. Raskov, because I think that everything this guy touches turns to gold, and whatever company that they wind up merging with could potentially explode into a multiple X situation on my investment. I think this is a great opportunity to invest in this SPAC while it's still early. Like I said, the minimum risk right now is about $1.21 a share. And if they merge, I think that this SPAC could really blow up, and this stock could generate some massive profits for its investors who are getting in early. Guys, thank you for watching. Leave a comment down below. Let me know if you're interested in this SPAC. I'll see you guys in the next video.